Good morning, welcome to Goodwill Commodities. In this video presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX silver market today. Before looking into that, let us say what happened on last Friday and what we expected on last Friday. The chart which you are seeing is Goodwill Commodities charting tool. Whenever I place the cursor on any candlestick, you can see the date and time below. This tiny blue color candlestick indicates last week Friday's price opening, which shows that the market opened somewhere near 44,400. What we expected that silver has got the potential to maintain its uptrend, having 44,200, 44,020 and 43,600 as the major support zone. So right after the price opening, the price tried to break the next zone of 44,560. So you could see the price was taking a resistance like what it took on the previous day. You can notice that the price once approached the zone, found a resistance and came down to 44,000 where it found a support. In the same way, the price took the resistance and our charting tool is providing a warning signal here. I am going to explain you in detail why it had provided a warning signal. As we had told you many times, our charting tool has got the ability to take into account the histories of chart patterns. So it provides a warning signal, but actually it is a support. So the price found a support and it tries to clear 44,560. So there was a long consolidation happening in this zone and finally closed around 44,570. So this was the entire price action what we witnessed in silver market on Friday. Everything went according to our plan and our charting tool did a good job in keeping us in the right direction throughout the trading session. So whenever the price provides a signal opposite to the moving average, which means that since the price is trading above the moving average, we expect the market to stay in uptrend. So it had provided a red signal which indicates that we will consider this as a warning signal and we will take some care in this particular zone. So that is one reason. Now what I am going to do, we are going to see the 1 hour chart to have a clear idea in silver trading. So now this is the 1 hour chart for this particular contract, which means all the single candlestick here represents 1 hour in this particular contract. So whenever I place a cursor on any candlestick, we can see the date and time below. This particular zone, that is 44,020 and 44,200. So where I have also marked this particular zone in this current trading session. So why we are going to focus on this zone? Because what happened on March and April in this particular contract, you can see the price was constantly taking a resistance in this particular zone. A failure to stay above this particular zone of 44,000 and 44,020 pushed the market down in long term. You can see why the price came down to this extent in silver market, because the root area was here 44,000 and 44,200. So this is the root cause area where the price found a long term trend, a complete downtrend in silver market, but now the price is in this particular zone. You should always have this habit of going back to the histories of chart as a technician to look into the major zone. So the expected price opening for today is going to be somewhere near the same zone where the market closed on the previous day. So our prime focus will be on buying if the price is staying above 44,000 zone. If the price is coming down below this, so there can be a short term profit booking. We don't call this as a downtrend. If the price is coming down, we will be calling it as a profit booking, because people will be booking their profit. That will actually consider that as a selling. So all depends upon how the price is going to react in this particular zone. This is the major purpose of our video analysis. We take into account the major zone like what we did earlier. We identified 44,020 and 44,600 as a major zone, and we focused and we made a very big profit in silver market. In the same way, we will be focusing on the major target zone, and with the help of our Goodwill charting tool, we always stay in the right direction throughout our trading session. So be careful in this particular zone, but we are expecting silver to maintain its uptrend. The next target zone is 45,020, and if the trend continues, 45,600 can be the next target zone. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.